Okay guys, so the day has come. I'm gonna do some squishy bears. Yes, you heard me correctly, squishy bears. I already have a ton of squishies. Well, not a whole lot, but a bunch of squishies. I'm not gonna be using my new ones. I'm not gonna be doing dares with my new ones unless they're not really intense dares. Oh, sorry. But I already have quite a lot of squishies, and I'm going. Okay. Anyways, I'm going to also get some more squishies. 46, by the way. There. 46 from Amazon. I think I said that in my last video. Oh, by the way, I discovered that this was an invoice. I didn't read it last time. But yeah. It was from my last video. Anyways, in my last video I think I said at least, that I'm getting 46 more squishies in the mail. Sometime from Amazon. A 30-piece pack, and 16 mini panda buns, all different. Well, yeah, all different colors and faces. And it said it will come on Tuesday. I'm not really sure if it will come on Tuesday though, because sometimes it gets the date wrong. But I didn't write down squishy dares or anything, but no one even commented that I should do squishy dares, but I decided every squishy collector does it, so I have a bag of squishies here, and I'm gonna take out these ones for now at least. I still have them there, I know. But here are the squishies. Gotta get 46 too, so. Okay. So, the first one is, I'm just thinking of these on as I go. By the way, the first one, I decided to dip a squishy in kinetic sand, and I have some kinetic sand right here. I have some like chocolate milk straws right here. Anyways, I have some kinetic sand right here, and the squishy I'm going to be using for it is the strawberry. But, okay. Just gonna mix it in there. It didn't really do anything. Just has a bunch of kinetic sand. You can't really see on camera. But actually, yeah. Just has a bunch of kinetic sand on it. Not too much damage. Sorry, I have a bug bite that I can't stop it. Anywho, so I guess that one was a fail, because it didn't really do any damage to the squishy. Like, I can just rub that stuff off. But my next one, I just thought of it, it's kind of like the kinetic sand one, but not really. So, I have this clear green slime. I'm actually not going to be doing this one because it's like way too sticky. Don't know how it's sticky. Okay. Gonna do a different this time. I didn't think I was that bad. Anyway, I didn't think I was that sticky, but I'm gonna use this blue clear slime. Let's see if this one's sticky. Why are the clear slimes so sticky? Okay, I might have to use white slime. Okay, I'm sorry about my hair, it's a mess right now. I'm like so sweaty. Been outside running. I'm falling. Okay. I don't know if this one is clear. Yeah, it is. This one isn't as sticky. Okay, I'm using this one. It's more glittery than clear. It's a bunch of glitter in it, but it's supposed to be clear. This one is a little bit sticky. Maybe I just have to play with it a little. Oh my goodness. Okay, never mind. I think all the clear ones got sticky. Well, I can't use a clear slime. Okay. This is gonna turn into a slime video. Like a slime collection showing you guys. Oh my slime. Okay. Let's see if this one works. I do have one more slime, but I do have one more clear slime, but it has a bunch of beads in it. Okay, so I have this white, blue, fluffy, green slime. Kind of looks blue on camera a little. But, yeah, that's what I'm going to use. And then I'm going to use this squishy. Not a crush ball, I got it from the Dollar Tree. But I'm going to wrap my squishy in some slime. So I actually saw Squishy Boba Forever do this, and so Kawaii technically did. So I'm doing it. M to the G. I did it. So let's go. So now, let's see if I can take it off. Perfect. Well, we did that dare. That was like the third dare, right? I think so. No, second. It was the second dare. Yeah, the second dare. Okay, so. Hold on, I hear something else. I need to. The last one will be the best one. And I bet, yeah, a bunch of people know. May not be you, but a bunch of other people probably know. I'm not going to tell you yet, though. Okay. The next one is, can't throw a squishy at anyone because I'm using my computer and I can't like pick that up and bring it to a different room. But my someone will be a stuffed animal. This bunny. And I'll throw this squishy at it. Once again, it's from the Dollar Tree. But that works. It's so dead. Okay. So the next one is rub some hand sanitizer on a squishy. And I don't know how this will turn out. But yeah, I just have some Germ-X hand sanitizer. I'm gonna be doing it with this one, and it's once again from the dollar store. It's not really that squishy, but I have some hand sanitizer. Gonna put some on my hand. Wow, this is more slippery than I thought. Okay, I have some on my hand. It's not too noticeable. It's basically just shy on camera, but just gonna rub it in here because this is like so weird. Oh my gosh, guys, it's making like crinkles in the squishy. It smells really good. It's a little bit less than resin, but not too much. I'm gonna do more because not much got in the front. I'm just gonna put it on here. Okay, so I got some more on this and mixing it in, and I feel like I made this part a little bit lighter. Oh my gosh, this is more soft. It made it more soft, yeah, and it's causing a bunch of crinkles in the squishy. That's so weird. I didn't think that would happen. But let's rub it everywhere. It's making the squishy more soft. Like, this part didn't have much on it, so it's pretty dense, but this part is where I set it. So, soft. And I'm not wasting my hand sanitizer. I have like legitimate 20 more in my closet. Okay, let's see how much crinkles it causes. Oh my gosh, I see it like forming crinkles. And since it's like so wet, it's causing defects because it's like too soft. Okay, let's just rub it up. I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's causing a little bit of defects like right there. But well, oh, there's also some on the back. They weren't there before, but whatever. But my hands smell good at least now. Okay. The next one is try to stretch a squishy that's not supposed to be stretched. So the one I chose for this one, for this dare is this one. So let's try and stretch it. Okay, I just stretched it, and when I was looking at it, I made like that huge defect under that. Like, here, stretch it more. No, this is so hard to stretch. Oh my gosh, it just caused like a bunch of defects. Now I'll try and do it on the back and see what happens. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so hard. Oh, whoa, okay. So this just caused this defect. So yeah, that works. Well, that was that dare. My next one is rip a squishy. So the squishy I'm going to be ripping is didn't even think. Okay. I chose this one. Like, this is probably the most softest place on it. The sides aren't too soft, but this part is. Okay, anyways, rip is squishy. I'm just gonna like rip this much off. Like, oh my gosh, this is so hard because on this part it's so dense. Oh, wow, I just made that. Well, it's getting there, and well, I just did it. Okay, so nothing happened. My next one is Bite is Squishy. The one I choose for this day is this one. Didn't really get to do much, and it's getting knocked out. All it did was got thrown at a bunny, a stuffed animal. But I'll bite it. Oh my gosh, this is like hard to bite. Yeah, it's like too thick. Oh my gosh, I'm pushing down so hard it's causing ringing in my head. Don't know if that ever happens to you, but oh, I just did it. The other one I ripped. This one I bit. Okay. My next one I'm doing the next bear I'm gonna do. I can't believe I'm doing bears, guys. Anyhow, the next one I'm gonna do. Okay. Write my name on a squishy. And I'm just gonna do my YouTube name. My full, that's my short name. But I'm just gonna write it on this squishy. The back of it. But yeah, I'm just gonna write my name with this magic pen because I just found it. I didn't just find it on the floor. Oh yeah. Okay. So, it might cause a stain on my hand. Yeah. But, anyways, the last one, the one that everyone has been waiting for, is kind of squishy. So tragic. The one. I really want to do this one, but yeah, I don't. Should I? I could buy a new one. It's going to be like $1. But, yeah, the one I'm going to be cutting, I decided, is this mini blush bun, and it's my only blush bun. But, yeah. So I'm going to go downstairs and get some scissors. Okay, guys, so I'm back, and I got my scissors, and anyways, I might get, I'm not 100% sure, but I might get another blush bun, my 30-piece squishy thing, and if I didn't, I was going to buy another blush pen anyway because this whole face is ripped off. But yeah, I guess I'll just cut it in half. I'm gonna take the cell phone strap off, not the eye pin out, but the cell phone strap off so I can save it for other squishies. Okay. But yeah, let's. Oh my gosh. Only did this tiny thing. And already sad. I'm a squishy murderer, guys. I'm officially a squishy murderer. I did it. Kind of sticky inside. Yeah, it's kind of sticky inside, but still slow rising. Maybe sticky enough to stick back together. By the way, I cut it this way. But yeah. Hey, look. Stick back together. Wow, I just dropped it. But yeah, I'm officially a squishy murderer. Well, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I only did this for you guys. I'm not just doing this. I only did this for you guys. I'm not just doing this because like I'm getting out of squishies, because I'm not getting out of squishies because I love squishies, and yeah, please don't leave any mean comments. But yeah, bye guys.